Today we're going to be playing some chess games. So, well, I mean, that was a quick win. Ooh, 1200. Ooh, ooh. If we beat him, he's no longer 1200, and I'll just rub it in his face. That'd be really funny. Let's see what he does. The bank is open. I played that a lot. Really weird. Some people just play queen to h5 straight away. It's like, ew, gross. I'm not gonna play the Caro, even though it's not the Caro card. Oh, this is disturbing. I hate this opening. It's so disgusting. He gets no space. I played it once, and it was just, oh god. I didn't play by even on purpose. I just played by accident. I slipped, and it gave me that, and I thought, okay, let's play this. I see people play it, and ooh, it's horrid. It's just disgusting. I lost so badly. So they play proper opening. Seriously, like, oh my god, oh, Jesus. Even though it is a classic proper opening, it's probably not a good one. I mean, you've got what 3 pawns that's taken no space. Well, I've taken a lot of space. Not like a lot of space, but like plenty of space. So it's disappointing in order to the car yet, because I'd love to play against the car because then I get to play the fantasy, and it's happy days for me. But nobody plays it these days. It's just annoying. That was master. That's guaranteed. He pre-moved that move. He pre-moved it. What? Does he think castling is swapped now? What in the world? Oh, nice. I just won the bishop and infiltrate. But what was that? That's disgusting. I've got to check on. I got to check on. Good stuff. I could check on E1, but that doesn't do much. Well, it does do lots. It pushed him into there. He can't really block. They could block, but not really. He can. But do that. So let's see what we do. Can we infiltrate? Maybe we can infiltrate on B2, maybe. Now, I know should have pushed, but we can infiltrate. Oh! Yeah, we're gonna check. We're just gonna check. Maybe. Check. I don't think the check is good. Yes, he's into blocks. Let's see. Let's see what we got. I'm just gonna stop background mate chance because I got background made like so many times. I mean, who hasn't got background made? I bet loads of people got background made. Hundreds, maybe thousands. No, I bet there must be about 1 million people who got background made. Background made is the stupidest trick I've ever seen. It's so annoying, so boring, and it's just, well, it's not boring. It's quite funny when you do stuff, but like, oh god, when you fall for it, it's not fun. No, I mean, who likes getting checkmate? Nobody likes getting checkmate. But we're just gonna push the pawn up 1 space. There you go. Wait. Yeah, I could just push the pawn 1 space, but it's not gonna be very useful. I'm just gonna put my knight there, maybe. I'm not sure. Yeah, I can put the knight there. As long as the knight's there, if he takes it, just pull my black back out and root to where our queen is. Ooh, that was taken. What should I take? I'm not sure. Maybe I should have pushed that pawn. Weird. Oh, infiltration square for my dude. My knight can infiltrate, but it's not very useful because I'm not very sure. Then I just take. Yeah, I'm gonna take, and then I'm gonna infiltrate on the G4 square, which is just brilliant. Now attacking loads of pieces. Not attacking pieces. I've got to check on. I've got to check on H2. I've threatened to take his pawn that he took back with. There were loads of nice stuff with that tonight. My bishop isn't really doing much. I'm not really happy with the bishop. Not to targeting a pawn. It's protected. Ooh, but my pawn. Well, I mean, he's at 1200. He knows like what 2 moves in chess, so it's not gonna win. I think just targeting the pawn to the knight. Go back to that square that I was on. You know, trying to check him. I mean, I love the knights. I love the bishop small, but the knights are brilliant as well. So I might. Okay, yeah. See, now I just go there, and I run into the. Now he checks, and then I check him there, and I bombard him. Just bombard his king. Just catastrophic, and he won't last 10 seconds because all best players crumble under threats. Not grandmasters, obviously, but like 1200s, 1300s, they crumble under attack. I played loads of games, and it always crumble under attacks. It's quite funny actually, but no, it's not funny. But no, it is funny. It's hilarious. I mean, who doesn't like watching people get absolutely annihilated? Right now, I'm just trying to plot whether I should check him or not. Which one should I check with? Check with the knight or check with the queen? I'm not sure. I mean, check with the knight. You can go to 2 spaces. Check with the queen. You can go to 2 spaces. So in all cases, he moves to a place where I can't check him anymore. So maybe I shouldn't check him. Maybe I should wait until like perfect round. Oh, maybe that check would only leave him. No, if I check with the queen on a set a6, that leaves him with the only place to go to e1. Yeah, that just leaves him on a1, e1. If I check him on, he only goes to e1, and then what? Then what? Yeah. Or should I check with the knight? So that leaves him loads more options to escape. But do I want him to escape? Oh, hard decisions. Let's see what his move is. Ooh, no, that's the start of it, isn't it? Oh wait, no. Oh wait, can't I just force a queen trick? Or I could take, or I could just take the hanging knight. He hung a knight. He actually hung a knight. And as opponent, I can't believe it. This guy's at 1200. He hangs a rook. He's 1200. I'm 1000. And he just hangs a rook. What a numpty! Jesus, this is just wait. Oh, oh god, it's near checkmate. And I can focus Pete. Jesus, this guy's dead. This guy's history. Look at him, and he's just gonna play on and let me eat his pieces. This is sad. This is so sad. After trade identity and just sadness. Sadness. My rooks haven't even moved yet. My rooks haven't got off the 8th flank. And this is getting ripped to shreds. I'm up 12 points of material against the 1200. And look, he just hangs another pawn. This is horrendous. I'm just gonna win 10 euro. Just like that. 73. My journey to 1100 should be the 10th. Wow. If I ever 1200 play this, I'll be like 10,000 in 2 days. Pooh. This guy must be like 200 in blitz, because this is just horrible. I still got every pawn. My pawns, I still got every single pawn I have. Is he gonna allow me to fork him? Ooh, lucky him, but I check him anyway. I check. Ah, and he forked. He allows me to fork. Oh god, he got no pieces. And I had to push this pawn until it. See, pre-move again. You pre-move again. Oh, whoa. Jesus. Oh, well, I put that pawn away. I don't even know what that was. I mean, he blocked my promotion, but it doesn't matter. I've won. Unless I go stalemate. If I stalemate, bang, someone will be happy with that. The stalemate is not acceptable in this position, but it should be all fine. It should be fine. I'm just going to start. Oh, well, lovely quick. Thank you. Now I just need to check in. So it shouldn't be too hard. Or should I just make 2 queens? No, not being disrespectful. I made it. You never go. Check. I can't really see. I'm rubbish at it. I'm rubbish at finding it, but I think that's just check. No, it's not true, mate. I'll just take that. Wait, check. We'll just check him until he dies. Pretty much. I'm checking that. Now my rook's activated. Now my rook's are getting to actual game. I have no idea. I think isn't that checkmate? No, that's not checkmate. I just go there and assemble the rooks to kill him. I mean, honestly, check. That's checkmate. Yeah, boom! 1073. One more game. Let's do one more game.